Good morning from the Black Canyon of Gunnison. On the edge of the cliff now. OMG, you can see the river. I don't think I will ever do this again in my life. What even? I literally don't believe this. Onto the Warner Trail today. Woohoo! The feels like is 36 right now, so it's actually like freezing cold, but I have a couple layers on. I need a wilderness permit for this. I accidentally bought 3 because I bought one for yesterday, but it rained all day. And it's also raining today. I'm gonna send it. It's 10:50 right now. The website says that it's supposed to take like 6 hours round trip. First mile is like regular trail. Next mile is like dirt switchbacks. And then the next mile is literally like scrambling over rocks. This is gonna be quite the trek. It's like 2,000 feet of elevation down. Oh gosh. And we're starting at the top of the canyon. These are like the first views so far. See how high we are? We're like in the clouds. Everything is burnt down. Like everything. All of the trees are just black. There was a fire here in July 2025, and I'm here in October. Whew, it's chilly. Like, look at that. So spooky. Fog in the back, and then all of these trees just destroyed. At least we have these nice oak that are changing color for the fall. And there's the canyon. The Black Canyon. And those are like the painted rocks part. And we're gonna go all the way down there into the river. The sun's coming out. Okay, this is the first like decision part. Go that way or that way. But we're going this way. And then this is where we go into the canyon. Wilderness permit required, but no one is here to check. But yeah, this route is a little bit more off-roading. And it's kind of just like dirt switchbacks. Wow, crazy. It's supposed to get warmer as you go deeper into the canyon, so that'll be kind of interesting. I hope that it does. It's actually already starting to get warmer. Down we go. I gotta go really slow so I don't get hurt because I'm by myself. We're kind of more on the edge of the cliff now. This redness is poison ivy. So, and it's like all along the trail. That's why I'm wearing high socks and pants, but it's also freezing cold. Wow, look at that. Oh, nice. They cut out a little path for me. It's just, the only scary part is just like, it's just like cliff. Like trail, cliff. Wow, this terrain is like crazy. It's literally everything. Like it feels like you're in the forest. And then also there's just like little baby cactuses everywhere and like desert plants. Poison ivy, giant dead tree, canyon. Like what is going on here? The earth said, I'm just gonna put everything in here and we're gonna figure it out. Sheesh. I don't know how we're gonna make it down there. OMG, you can see the river. Woohoo! There's hope. It's so blue. I think we're at the dirt switchbacks now, and you can just see all the way down the mountain. And we're gonna go down there. It's like cute forest vibes, but it's really just like straight down. And it's muddy. That's like so awesome. Oh cool, they gave you 2 routes. You can go like the crazy route or this other one. You can really feel it in the quads. Oh, I've also seen 1 set of footprints on my way down so far. So 1 other person might have made it down before me. They only let 15 people down a day. Just stop for a second to show you how steep this is. Can you see that? Like straight down. And now they're like, yeah, just jump off this cliff. And this is all mud. So it's like been a fun little mudslide. You can kind of see how people just slid down. I see the river still. Holy smokes. Only had 1 fall. Got a little dirty. This definitely is a hike deep into the canyon. I'm literally just like on rocks now. There were some points where I was like jumping down cliffs. And we're just gonna keep going down this. I would highly advise to not do this trail after it rains. I don't think I will ever do this again in my life. And I'm low-key so worried about going up because if it's hard going down, it's probably 4,000 times harder going up. Okay, see you guys when we get to the river. It is a lot warmer down here. I took off the jacket. I've seen 3 people. So populated down here. I hope I'm gonna like go down. You can hear the river. Can you hear? I'm gonna go down, literally touch the river, eat a sandwich, and then head right back up because everyone else is heading up and I don't want to get stranded down here. I literally don't believe this. Why are we at the bottom of a canyon? The steepest canyon in North America. Oh shoot. Pepper spray in the interesting water. Like, wow. Can't believe I came from up there. My sandwich is smashed. At least I made it down. Why do I think I'm indestructible? So sad. I only got to stop for like 20 minutes, enjoy the views. I just spent like 2 hours trying to get down here. But I do not want to be hiking at night, so we're going up now. Oh, trail. Let's go. Love when you see a trail because you're like, ah, civilization. We got this. We aren't quitters. We're gonna get up there and we're gonna make it. Okay, this is straight up. See you in a bit. Kind of see the river in the back. I must say though, it's a little bit easier going up. Hoping I can make it back before sunset. It's 1:30 right now. Sunset's at 6:30. So I should be able to make it up. But I don't know how hard this is gonna be. So let's go. Wow. Crazy. What even? Taking a couple wrong turns. We're about an hour in and we've made it like 0.75 miles, so. And it is 2:30. I think I just blacked out for the past 40 minutes. It's now 3:12. I'm so bold. At the top. What? Like, there's the canyon. I was just going uphill for so long. There was times where I was like, oh my God, am I gonna make it back before 6:30? It's scarier going down because you're slipping on the mud and the rocks. But it's like not easier going up, but it's easier going up just because you have better footing. I'm on like normal path right now. I'll let you know when I find civilization. There's that big log that we had to jump over. It's really not that like civilized out here still, but it's better than down there. And that canyon is literally straight up. Whew. There it is. We were down there today. Never doing that again. Sun feels great. I'm so happy that it's sunny out. It's been raining the whole time I was here. Literally got stuck in the mud with my van yesterday. 3:40. Whew. And we have made it back to civilization. Sort of. At least there's signs now. Whew. I think it's downhill from here, so we're gonna make it. Let's make it back by 4, which is kind of lit. Left at 10, or left at 11. So that's 5 hours. Went down 2,000 feet into the steepest canyon in North America. I'll let you know when we see our house. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy to see this canyon though. Like, I hate it because I just went in it and it sucked, but it's like kind of epic. But then also like looking at it, it's just so crazy. How's that real? No way. We did it. Civilization. The van. Thanks for coming to the bottom of a canyon with me. See you guys at the next park.